5 PM, so magsasakit ako na tayo. Saan tayo? Anong topic pala ngayon?
Vlog lighting.
Start tayo ngayon, vlog lightings yung topic ngayon. So, excited.
The very reason for having a video camera is not to just put it there and take a study. Wide shots, medium shots, and tight shots or close-ups.
That's what you call a tilt. In which case, if you tilt it upwards, that's a tilt up or a tilt down. This is a pan left and a pan right. Right? And then you can combine tilts and pans by moving diagonally. So your camera is free to move on all the axes that are available to you.
And there are only two kinds of light available to us. Natural and artificial light. Hard lighting versus soft lighting.
Yeah! Kainan na! Kakain na tayo ngayon. Break. Kahit hindi naman naging tayo, mag-break tayo ngayon. Laps pa more. Kakain tayo ngayon kasi medyo nakakagutom ang makinig. Kasi pag nakinig ka at pinasok mo sa utak, ang tiyan mo magkakawalang laman talaga. So pupunan natin yung laman ng tiyan para naman napuno din ang laman ng ating utak for a span of like 3 hours of discussion.
What about underlighting?
Multo. Para multo. Horror. Hey guys, kakatapos lang namin 8:30 na ng gabi. So nandito pa rin ako sa ngayon sa YouTube space regarding lights. At ang ganda, ang dami kong natutunan talaga. Marami akong natutunan sa pag-contour kasi lights also contouring pala. Magkaroon ka ng shadow. So, sobrang natuwa ako sa topic kasi I'm very passionate about light kasi nakakadagdag siya. So ito, may camera dito, andito yung mga soft boxes na nasa sa gilid. And then nagtimpla-timpla sila kanina. O diba? Na-try ko kanina, na-try ko yung na-try ko yung setup ng lights, tsaka ang ganda niya. Hindi pa tapos ang laban ni Mayor. Charot. Ito na nito tayo ngayon sa... It's not a closing remark for me kasi nga bukas babalik pa naman ako dito for production workshop. So for today, ito lang muna talaga. Hey guys, it's my last day, May 1st, 2017. So, ang last na workshop ko ngayon is all about production. Magsa-start siya ngayong 5 PM, about to go inside. Hopefully, for this day, marami akong matututunan kasi it's all about production. So go, tara! Ito, nandito tayo ngayon. It's my last day. So, it's all about production na naman ang pag-uusapan at pakikinggan ko ngayon. So, ito yung area kahapon sa lights. So, pakikinig tayo ng maigi para magamit natin sa ating YouTube channel kung ano may i-discuss nila. So, they're currently preparing for the workshop and yeah. Actually, ewan ko lang kung production ba itong inaapinan ko pero comparison yata ito ng tech review. Hindi, ito... Anong channel mo, friend?
Keanu Absalon, travel video.
Travel videos. Nakita ko yung ano niya, parang may mga panning ka pang shots eh.
Mga pa-emo slow-mo pa.
Anong mo? Year mo?
Year? Ito, GoPro Hero 4 Silver. I'm using the field view of linear mode so that I can vlog in a linear plane, not using wide.
So, pero may option siyang wide.
Meron wide, meron medium, meron linear.
Ay, taray.
So, you can choose the 3 options.
Pero may may viewfinder. Pag nakikita mo siya pag nagre-record ka.
Meron.
Gusto kong ganito.
I-exit mo lang siya. There you go. There you go, guys. Nakita.
Taray. Hindi naman kailangan magbenta ng kidney dyan para
Hindi
makabili. Kasama pa liver eh. No? Yung sa'yo, G7X ba yan? Ay, hindi.
Yeah, it's Canon M10.
Occupied.
Parang ganun. So, sobrang bilis magbabago. This one. Kasi ito, direct to camera yung attachment niya. So kapag direct to camera yung attachment niya, yung recording niya, isang level lang din.
Ay, saan ka naman? Gusto ko ano? Nawala niyo yung channel. Oo.
Oh, you sing one song. I can't help falling in love with you.
Thank you! There you go! Kakatapos lang namin talaga. Sobrang dami kong nakilala dito katapos lang namin mag-shoot. And first time kong makahawak ng pang-digital film, pang-cinematography talaga na camera. And sobrang sarap niyang hawakan. Parang gusto ko talaga sa production side kaysa sa magbida. Kasi parang ang sarap niyang laruin talaga. Ito mismo. Parang kung meron akong gustong laruin talaga or laruan na gustong bilhin, ito yun. Kasi parang nakakatuwa siya. Parang gusto ko mag-produce kaysa sa magiging bida ako. Kasi parang if you are the person behind the scene, you are the most artistic person. Kasi ikaw yung magtitimpla nito. Tapos ito, tapos lang namin, lahat ng tao dito, may mga dalang camera and there's so much vibrant people. Yan sila, sobrang daming social media influencers, sobrang saya. Lahat kinakausap camera. Ito yung isa. Ay, ito, subscribe. Anong channel nila?
Ano po, Manual to Life.
Yes, YG Pachi. Pachiken. Gusto ko pa.
May nanonood na pa-chicken, subscribe ito.
Yes! Uwi ana. Wala na katao-tao sa lobby. Meron pa pala konti. My God! I'm like it!
Hi, guys!
Nakaka-starstruck. Starstruck ako.
Oh my God, look at all the cameras.
Ang dami
Now
dito.
I gotta vlog.
Yes! Oh my God!
Cameras everywhere. Look at all these cameras.
Nakaka-starstruck.
This is a vlogging haven right now. Look at all that.
Wow!
I love these YouTube events. We're different
Alright.
species.
Different Homo sapiens.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You just finished your live, right?
I did, yes. Finished. We also shot in the pub space. Are you guys shooting in the pub space?
I did yesterday.
Cool. Great. Awesome.
Yes!
See you at the Fan Fest.
Oh man.
Hello guys! Nakatapos lang natin. So if you like this video, give a massive thumbs up. Do share this to your friends who are aficionado when it comes to lights sa mga visual na projects like photography or videography man yan. And also, please subscribe. Click niyo lang yung bilog dyan and visit my blog. It's alaptashing.com. Yung delete, yung square, and related videos yun dyan sa gilid. This has been your vlogger, John Argula. Thank you so much! Nakaka-fresh ang light talaga, promise. Bye-bye!